Alright, just going to Target, cop some air horns. Gonna go mess around with some golfers today. Hopefully they don't get too pissed off. Hopefully you don't get kicked out of this Target, man. No, they don't like the filming. We'll see how it goes. These damn masks, man, kind of piss me off. You can't find no air horns. This bitch, what? Where did that worker go, man? We'll ask him. That was weird. This guy? We'll ask this guy. Excuse me? You watch porn?
What's that?
Where are the air horns? Do you know?
Probably not filming in here, but
He's not filming.
Air horns?
Yeah.
Maybe down in the camping section.
In the camping?
Yeah, take a look.
Alright, thank you. Dude, that was perfect. He goes, huh? Just wondering if he's watching porn, man. You gotta make sure all these older guys are just staying up to their tasks. Alright. Target doesn't know how to carry a cocksucking air horn, so gotta go check out Dollar Tree now. Good thing it was just a couple miles down the road. We had to walk all the way here. Jesus. Do it. Maybe she'll know. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you happen to know, like, if you're horny? Like,
if what?
Where the air horns are?
I don't have any right now.
Really?
They'd be in party.
Got it?
But I don't think so.
Jeez, man. Got a little pissed. No, it would be, yeah, that's what I thought.
Negative.
Nothing.
Sorry.
Yeah, maybe Walmart. Target didn't have them either.
Those are things that you blow up, pumps. No air horn.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, I'm going this way.
Dude, she was pissed. She really thought. I mean, maybe she wanted it. Maybe she's down. She could have been down, man.
Man, this place didn't have nothing.
Place don't got air horns either. I guess we gotta make a trip to Walmart. It's kind of some BS, man. Just trying to get a quick golf course prank done. Maybe we'll find them. Maybe. Just going into Walmart now. Target and Dollar General didn't know how to carry a air horn, so gotta go find one so we can finish this golf course prank today, fellas. Get to it. TikTok, yeah. Name's Charles. Stopped to grab a quick bite to eat. Going to Mucha. Taking a little break from all these old crackheads getting mad at us. But you know, we're going to stay in disguise. Camera battery's about to die. Filming off the iPhone later. Still be fun. Yep, how we do it. We need to get this shit going. Where should I start from?
Right, just fucking right there.
Should I go like...
No. Oh, yep.
Make sure I don't cut you.
Oh no.
God, you look huge.
Well, yeah.
That might make the cut. So we can make it a good cut. Oh, dude.
Oh. Kind of worked. It kind of worked.
Alright.
You look so good.
Is that good?
I
think that's good. Now I think that's what we need to do. How does it look? Does it look good?
Looks badass.
Alright, well, here we go. You got the small one, yeah? I'd love to see that sign. Anyone on the tee or no? There's a ball right there, though. Oh, there's people. Where? On the tee. Here we go. Dart. Oh, fuck.
It's on fire. It made a dart. Yeah, we can't. Do it again.
About to hit a golfer real quick. We saw the last minute opportunity, now I gotta get mic'd up. Ready to go, he's right around the corner, last hole. Here we go.
I'm trying to hit that camera. I'm trying to take pictures of people.
Turn it in.
I think the guy in the house.
Right there, we're going in right now to get our camera back. Let's see.
Let's see what they do. Did my dad just call?
He did.
Yeah, we got into a lot of trouble.
Did you find it?
No, the golfers took it.
They took it
Oh,
from us.
who do you know who it was?
They're on like hole 10 now.
Okay.
Yeah, we're in trouble, man. My dad.
Well, you're not in trouble with us, but if
No, my
if they
dad.
Really cute.
I know, I'm sorry. This is my dad's camera and he's not gonna like it.
No kidding.
I know.
But,
Yeah.
you know, they're replaceable. So,
They're
you
not.
know, he's probably got insurance, right?
No,
Probably not.
probably not.
Bummer.
I know, but like,
You want it back?
oh yeah.
Oh,
I mean,
you
it
gotta
is
be
our
kidding.
property though.
No, I'm good. No, it's not.
It's not-
It was abandoned.
No, it was sitting on our wall.
You don't understand the code in Arizona.
What's the code?
If property is abandoned, it belongs to whoever finds it.
But it was
How's
on
that
our house
abandoned?
wall.
I understand what you're
Don't
trying to
let
do.
it-
I know
he's
you're
just
trying to pull a joke on us.
I'm just
apologize,
teasing you.
sir. I know.
Yeah.
I apologize.
We're
We
sorry.
didn't
Yeah.
mean it.
Yeah.
Just now my daddy's gonna spank me and stuff.
It's not gonna be
I
good.
deserve it though. I really do.
Yeah.
Consider yourself spanked. By the way,
Yeah, if you could spank me, I would accept it.
Are you kidding? Look up.
Excuse me, do you guys happen to know like where You get it? Dude, oh man. Pigs. Oh no, it's just one. Huh? See that little wiener? Hey, hey. Oh, keep her going. Oh, we're sideways. Oh, no, back. bitch. I can't even see.
Neither can I.
Keep her going!
Oh, fuck. Look at that shit.
Yeah! Oh, go down into it. Oh, yeah, right there. Imagine you saw a cop pull up. What would you do? Going surfing today. It's gonna be a cold one. Hopefully it's fun. Bringing out some broads. Let's get it.